If you're planning to remodel your kitchen, you're likely thinking about materials, styles, and timelines. One thing you might not have thought about is whether it is the best time of year to start your project. Like produce at the grocery store, the price of your remodel can be seasonal. If you're hiring professional help, the time of year will definitely impact the price. Typically, during warmer months, professional help becomes more expensive as demand rises. Alternatively, colder months can see a drop in price, and so you may be able to find better rates. In addition to pricing and availability, you'll need to consider how the weather will impact your remodeling project. As with price, each season has its own benefits and disadvantages for you to consider. If you live in an area that experiences harsh winters, then the cold can make your remodeling process unpleasant or even unrealistic. However, the cold months are often the slowest time for contractors and cabinet companies. This means you won't have to wait weeks or longer to get someone to come out to your house. Besides, these cold months often coincide with the holidays, meaning you could find some great deals. You should also note that colder temperatures can increase drying times for your finish, so you'll need to plan accordingly. Just as flowers come back new in the spring, the majority of people plan their remodeling projects during this season. The days are sunny and typically not too hot, so installation is not too unbearable for your contractor or yourself. One drawback here, however, is that you may have to wait longer before you can get a crew to come to your home, if you plan to hire help. Choosing to plan your remodel for the summer does have the benefit of longer days. However, if you have children, the inconvenience of a contractor tearing out your kitchen while you still need to use it could be a major frustration. If you're going the DIY route, then you may run into the issue of childcare while you work. Either way, during these hot months it is important to stay well hydrated while you work. With no major holidays, fall can be a great time to schedule your remodeling project. With plenty of sunshine and cool weather, it can be a great time to work on your remodeling project without being miserable from the heat or cold. As a bonus, for those who host Thanksgiving, your guests will walk into a beautiful new kitchen. And remember, if you have any questions or need help getting started, just give us a call or send us an email. We're always happy to help.